Hi friends, Christy here from makingitinthemountains.com, and today I am so excited to be sharing our master bedroom all decked out for the holidays. Okay, so welcome back to my channel today. Thank you so much for joining me. I am so thrilled to be adding this video to the holiday playlist created by my very talented blogging friends, Colleen at Lemon Thistle and Lindy at Love Create Celebrate. Now, I'm sure there are going to be a ton of inspiring holiday projects shared through the playlist, so I will be sure to link it up below for you, and don't forget to check out all of the other ideas and videos shared throughout. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing my farmhouse style master bedroom, all decked out for the holidays. Like the rest of our home, I really like to keep things simple and fairly neutral through the holiday season. Though I always like to add in a few pops of color just to give it that traditional, nostalgic, cozy feel. So in my bedroom tour today, you'll notice that most of my decor actually stays the same throughout the entire year, including all of my furniture and bedding. What I do like to change up are a few of the less expensive accessories, some festive throw pillows and cozy blankets, and a few pops of faux greenery really help to give this space that cozy holiday feel. So join me as I take you on a tour through our farmhouse style master bedroom space, all cozied up for Christmas. As the cold winter months start to roll in, I always swap out our linen sheets for some cozy flannel. The rest of our bedding really remains the same. I love the warmth that this linen duvet set brings to our bedroom. This year I opted for a little pop of color with this pretty throw pillow. And some faux potted greens bring a bit of color to our bedside tables. The mercury glass wreaths over our bed add a touch of sparkle. Our DIY fireplace feels so cozy with a snowy cedar garland draped over the mirror and a few simple decorations along the mantel. A large basket is the perfect way to keep a few extra cozy blankets handy. I made this DIY blanket a few months ago. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you. The decor on my dresser is super simple as well, with just a pair of faux pine trees. Though I did manage to sneak in a little bit of color with this gorgeous plaid throw. The little reading nooks at the far end of our bedroom might just be my favorite spaces in our whole house. These gorgeous chairs always look so cozy and inviting, no matter what time of year, but I think they look cozier than ever with the rich textures of these throw pillows and that gorgeous plaid blanket. A few simple accessories like that DIY pom-pom wreath, some jingle bells, and a vintage blanket ladder really help to make this corner feel super cozy. Okay friends, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tour of our farmhouse style master bedroom, all decked out for the holidays. If you liked this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. Thank you so much for watching.